Hi, I'm Osiri Wisdom, the convener of the Man Thing Summit and the Father and Son Adventure. Welcome again to 100 Days of Wisdom, Season 7. The season is talking about Man Up, 100 Wisdom for Authentic Masculinity. And today I'm sharing day 62. I'm talking about how you need to learn to apologize. If there is something that some people, a particular gender, the women, the thing that some men don't know how to do is to apologize. Some believe that some men think that apology means that you are cutting down their ego, you are disrespecting them. They don't want to apologize. Let me tell you, apology is a language that every one of us speak and we also appreciate. When you have wronged somebody, you've done something wrong, don't start by being defensive. Just start with apology. Sometimes in a more technical or sophisticated area, you might want to begin to ask, what is the apology language of a particular individual? But beyond that, you have to just learn how to apologize for areas and things you've done wrong. Apology does not mean you are not man enough. Apology does not reduce you. Apology does not make you a weak person. Apology does not mean you're a stupid person. Apology does not mean you're a failure. No. Apology simply means you have emotional intelligence. You recognize that my action has brought, a disappointment or pain or frustration to somebody else, and you are willing to say, you know what, I'm sorry about this. And when you display that level of, wisdom to be apologetic about the things you've done, you're going to see that you're going to buy into people. People are going to love you more. They're going to respect you. So when you do apology and you do it from your heart, not that you're apologizing with your lips and you're planning to repeat the same thing again. All right. When you apologize appropriately, what happens is that people give you credit. All right. They take you to a whole new level of respect. So apology does not reduce your respect. If there's anything, it adds on your respect. Follow me on all my social media handle as displayed on the screen, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Osiri Wisdom. Like, comment, share, and remember, when you man up, everyone around you wins. The man thing is the main thing.